I'm Rajandeep Kaur. I'm a fourth-year data science student at Fraser University. So I chose SFU because at SFU, I can get access to a lot of co-op employers. My recent position was as a junior data scientist at RCMP. And I saw their job posting on SFU's co-op dashboard. And I applied, and then I got the interview within like 2 weeks. You get to work with an organization that helps community. So yeah, it was very exciting to know that I'll be working with RCMP. After this co-op, I think I feel more confident. Data science it's a very progressive field. All of my projects were meant for operational teams, and I think that gave me a purpose. Because I knew that my work is going to get used by the teams who are responsible for policing or community safety. And during those projects, I also got the chance to present to other operational teams, their analysts, and then also be part of conversation with detachment commanders. It was a great factor in building up my confidence. Upon completion of my work term, I was offered casual employment within the same position. Having the job security before I graduate in April, it has given me confidence. I can feel that I'm capable in terms of my social skills and my technical abilities.